This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript in the Safari web browser. I'll be using an Apple iPhone SE for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, I'm on my iPhone now. First thing you need to do is go to Settings. Click on the Settings app. Then you'll scroll all the way down until you see Safari. You want to click on Safari. Now you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you see Advanced and select Advanced. And then right here you toggle On or Off JavaScript. I'd say leaving JavaScript on is a pretty good idea because most websites require it, but you can toggle it on and off right here. And that's how you enable or disable JavaScript on the Safari web browser. Thanks for watching.